The Yamaha Ty is a series of dirt bikes designed specifically for trial competition, first introduced by Yamaha in 1973. Models in this series, such as the TY50, TY80, TY125, TY175, and TY250, are known for their lightweight and high maneuverability, making them a popular choice among trial enthusiasts. One model that stands out is the Yamaha TY80, produced from 1974 to 1984. It was equipped with a 72 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The uniqueness of the TY80 lies in its different gear configuration than modern bikes. The neutral position is at the very bottom, with gears going up from there. In the modern era, Yamaha continues to develop the TY series with the introduction of the TYE, an electric dirt bike first introduced in 2018. The TYE features an innovative design with a monocoque frame made of carbon fiber, resulting in a total weight of less than 70 kilograms. The bike is equipped with an AC synchronous electric motor and a lithium-ion battery, offering large torque at low revs and long acceleration. Rumors are swirling about the Yamaha TY700, a motorcycle inspired by classic dirt bikes with a modern twist. The design combines strong retro elements with powerful modern engine technology. The bike features a fuel tank with iconic classic Yamaha graphics, with a striking combination of white and red accents. The tank is simple and slim, supporting comfortable riding ergonomics. The round headlight is classic in style, combined with a large telescopic front suspension with a rubber guard to emphasize the retro feel. The front and rear fenders use a minimalist design typical of trial bikes, with Pirelli Scorpion Rally dual-purpose tires that are ready for on-road and off-road use. The Yamaha TY700 uses a 689 cubic centimeters CP2 engine, 2 parallel cylinders, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled. This engine is capable of producing approximately 72.4 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and a maximum torque of 68 Nm at 6,500 RPM. The 270-degree cross-plane crankshaft configuration of this engine provides an even power character with optimal traction, suitable for both off-road and highway use.